good morning and thank you so much CSMSS. We are so grateful. You've given a wonderful opportunity to our girls, and the entire thing is so well organized as I can't imagine. There were like total dedicated team of doctors. I just visited dental college and I was very impressed with it. I don't know, around 15-20 doctors are working on the dental chair, and 15-20 girls are taken care at a same time. I'm just amazed, and I'm so thankful and grateful for this beautiful opportunity, and everything has been so systematically organized, is like beyond my imagination. And once again, my heartfelt thank you to Snehal and the entire team of CSMSS. Thank you so much.
Hi, we are from Udyan Shalini Fellowship, Aurangabad chapter. I'm Shilpa Sharma and with me is
Snehal Mule.
Yes, and we are here to do a medical camp for our Shalinis. So Udyan Shalini is basically for the education and empowerment of the girl child, and we in Aurangabad are associated with Udyan Shalini, which has its head office at Delhi for the last 16 years. And today here we are going to have a medical camp for the girls. So Snehal, will you just brief us a little on that?
Yes, first of all, Udyan Shalini Fellowship is for underprivileged girls. So we give financial support to them as well as mentoring support to them. And so today we've organized a camp for those Shalinis here. So first we'll be doing a CBC testing for the hemoglobin and then the blood group. And then later we'll do one more checkup, dental checkup. So these two checkups we are planning today and tomorrow for around 200 to 250 girls. So that way they'll come to know about the blood group also and what deficiencies they have, and they'll come to know about everything in the blood test.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yes.
So we are really grateful and thankful to CSMS College for organizing this camp for our Shalinis today here, and we look forward to much more association for the same in the near future. Thank you.
Thank you.
खूप पटपट ही सगळी क्रिया झाली. आम्हाला नेमिंग वाईज बसवलं गेलं, त्यामुळे काहीच वेळ लागला नाही. आणि जे आमचे ब्लड काढणाऱ्या मॅम होत्या त्यांनी पण सहजतेने ब्लड काढलं, त्याच्यामुळे आमच्या मनातली भीती सुद्धा गेली. आणि आम्हाला इथे बोलवलं आणि फ्रीमध्ये डेंटल चेकअप आणि ब्लड चेकअप केलं. इट्स अ व्हेरी बिग थिंग फॉर अस. अँड एवढं छान स्टाफ आहे, एवढं छान डॉक्टर्स आहेत, दे आर व्हेरी स्वीट अँड काइंड. एवढं छानपैकी त्यांनी ट्रीट केलं आहे आम्हाला.
Because of this camp, we got the more information about our health and how to maintain our health. Thanks to Udyan Shalini Fellowship and CSMS College.
इथे हेल्थ कॅम्प ऑर्गनाईज करण्यात आला होता आणि पर्सनली प्रत्येक मुलीला गाईड करण्यात आलं पर्सनल हेल्थबद्दल, आणि हाईट वेट वगैरे सगळं चेक करण्यात आलं, आणि आणखी काही प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर त्याबद्दल फर्दर चेकअप करण्यासाठी त्यांनी परतही बोलवलं. तर मला हे खूप छान वाटलं. थँक्यू सो मच.